Morning, this is Anthony. I'm back at it again. Today we're doing a dentist office over in Laguna Niguel. Looks like they have some decorative frost, some Frizzle Rain. Give them a little privacy inside of the rooms while they're working. And should be a pretty easy install. There we have it. That's another satisfied customer. They're very happy with the product that we installed. Decorative film. Gave them a little bit of privacy. It looked nice. So that's what we want. We just want them to be happy. Thanks for watching.